us your name and what it is that you do.
Oh my God, I'm so shy.
You can lie.
So my name is Hope, and I am a medical assistant by day, which basically is the person who gets like vitals, your blood, give you shots and whatnot. But we don't deal with like bedpans or any kind of catheters, so that's a huge plus. But by night, I roller skate. And that is like one of my main hobbies that I invest all of my energy, all of my time and freedoms to.
Yeah, so it's like your alter ego. Do you have a skater's alter ego name or just they better I be seeing you out there.
Yeah.
Y'all don't let me post her videos now. You know we got a whole professional here.
There is actually a couple of names floating about as it pertains to me. It's like Goldilocks, it's Bumblebee, it's Honeybee.
Oh, I love Bumblebee and Goldilocks. Gotcha.
It's a lot of names out there.
So it's your first time in my chair, but what does beauty mean to you? Does beauty have a significant part in your life? Does beauty just to you? What does beauty really mean to you?
For me, beauty is art in any kind of way that you can express it, whether it's something as little as putting on lip gloss. That's beautiful. And I'm an artist, so I see things slightly different. Sure. In general, so I'm always looking for, how can I, incorporate a color or an idea to really translate it, especially with some of the outfits that I do skate in. Oh, it's a wrap.
So it's nothing new to you, basically.
Right.
You're definitely a girly girl. You can definitely, we connect. We used to connect on that a lot. That ain't nothing new to us.
And it wasn't even all like that because I started off very, very tomboyish.
Yeah.
And I think a lot of women started off that way because it was like, oh my gosh, just so girly girl. But now it's such a rarity that when you have that essence of femininity, it is like, oh my gosh.
Exactly. Like it's rare. Like it's, people are, kind of fascinated by it nowadays, and that's why I really want to start reaching out to women, because there is a lot of women who never even I had a couple of clients just a couple weeks ago who's never even had their makeup done, and even though you don't need a full face of makeup, I just think the empowerment makeup has, or just beauty in general has, it has a big impact on us, and it can change your whole. Don't let me take the.
This is one of those things where it's like it's for me. Like I'm in the moment. I can control what it is that I'm looking for. Say just do what works best for you. If you feel good about the choices that you make within like your appearance, and it's always good to take pride in yourself. Like I said, if you look good, you feel good, and if you feel good, you look good. It's a never-ending process.
And let's get into this beat.
All right.
I am ready.
I still look like myself.
No clown, no drag makeup.
Absolutely. Even the lip color is really pretty.
And you gotta just top it with a little gloss.
That's why I like the gold. The gold gets you.
This can go to.
And that little cute little pink color with the browns. I love it. Yeah.
I'm so glad you like it. You've been an awesome model, awesome client. You ready that?
You know what? Somebody gonna get paid every week for this stuff. Like, oh my gosh.
You like it?
Can
you get it to
love
my
it.
camera?
I love it.
You look excited.
Love it. Love it. Love it.
Oh my god. I know. On that note.